Perfect. Hello, everyone. We're live. Welcome to the workshop series of Oraichain, DeFi and AI Cook-Off Hackathon. Super excited to kick this off with Tu. Hi, Tu. Before I introduce Tu and let him take the stage, would just like to throw a little time on the hackathon, what it is about, the intro of it, what we are planning to get out of the hackathon, and welcome all the builders to the workshop series. Yeah, it's basically about getting AI to Web3 and unleashing creativity of different things that can happen on Oraichain, not just Oraichain. In fact, it's multi-chain, seeing the possibility, extending it to IBC, EVM, Bitcoin, with a total price pool of 30K. If you go on the Oraichain hackathon page on DoraHacks, you can see that the team is kind enough to list the different kind of possibilities with AI. Example, risk analysis, route optimization, analysis, and a lot more. So yeah, it's your chance to play around and see what you can bring to the table. The submission deadline ends on 24th January, so you still have a lot of days at your hand. And our workshop series is also kicked off, so hopefully that will help you get a grip of it more. With that, too, if you have any opening thoughts, would love to hear from you. How's it all going? What kind of things are you expecting from the builders, from the hackathon? And then dive into the workshop, which is about playing with Oraichain smart contracts.
Yeah. Hope that actually I will show you very very simple example to interact with the blockchain directly through the notebook that everybody can run directly on the web on the website. Um, with the very very popular contract is similar to the ERC20 that quite popular in the EVM system. It's a CW20 smart contract that allows user to like mint a token and transfer a token to a specific address. So actually this demo has two parts. The first one is to interact with the simulator environment that user can play with the smart contract directly without deploying on any chain. And the second part is user can connect with the testnet or Origin testnet, for example, with a Kepler wallet, and everything is on the link. Yeah, user can start directly.
Thanks a lot, too. Yeah, feel free to present your screen and get on with the workshop. Meanwhile, too does that. I would encourage all of you to ask as many questions as possible in the comment section. We will take it up towards the end of the workshop. And yeah, feel free to have a look around the hackathon page on DoraHacks as well. Over to you, too.
Yeah. Okay, so I will start show you. Uh, Here we have the simulate CosmSWasm clan. It's the class to create a clan. A clan is like such as like instant to interact with blockchain. So here we have the simulate environment. You can see the checkbox is eject, and if environment is simulated, we can start with for example for a sample send address, whatever you want, you can put it here, and we start with a chain ID, for example Oraichain, and with the prefix the Orai token, and the metering is for uh, con- uh, gas calculation. And the next line code, we set the balance. For example, here we have 10 Ori, and we let it start for example, and we can run it, and we will see that the amount here is 10 Ori. And the next step is we will deploy the smart contract. This is already built version of CW20 based smart contract. This one is from the CW Plus repository from the CosmSWasm organization. Yeah, I already put it here, and we just call the upload directly to the current instance. And after that, we will get the code ID. And with the code ID, we will instantiate it to get the contract address. For example, we can name the token is a DoraHack token. And we can run it. And this is the results of the token info. You can see that DoraHack token with a symbol as a given input. And finally, we will transfer the token to the specific address and get back the balance. The gas required for the transfer is 56,000 gas. So everything is very easy for the beginners. The interesting part is we can use the same code to interact with the testnet. If anyone, if don't have any balance on the Oraichain testnet, you can go to the testnet faucet link. Just you can see the right behind, right side of the simulator checkbox. Okay, so I will start with the testnet. Just uncheck the testnet. Here the testnet, we have the Kepler. We will enable the Oraichain testnet chain, and we will get the signer and get the address of the signer, and then we will collect the Kepler from the signer of life, and we will put the RBC endpoint here, the testnet.rbc.ori.io, and we can run it. The balance of the Oraichains here. And the next step, we will deploy this smart contract on the testnet. Can you see the Kepler pop-up the data? This is the pop-up data to deploy this smart contract. You can check it, the chain ID, the denom, everything, and we approve this one. And here we got the contract address. We will copy this one and to check on the scan later. And we can transfer token to it. Actually, it will. This one is already happened in mainnet. We can check it on scan testnet, scan RIO, and let's put this one at the smart contract. and you see there's a instant transaction. And that's how we interact with the real chain. So in this example, you see that we have the simulate environment and the real environment that can share the same SDK, and that can share the same smart contract, and it works the same in both environment. So um, uh, to uh, to work with the Oraichain mainnet, first we just need to clone a template. For example, the CW20, for example, the more advanced repo on the internet, and we can interact it with the simulator, such as the deploy. We upload it on a simulator, and we can install it, and we can code some functions. And after everything is okay, we can change the config. Everything happen here in the clan, because we have we have the we have the smart contract. Here we have the CW base clan. The parameter is a clan, and sender address and contact address. The only different thing is a clan. If we change clans to the real chain, uh, it from if the environment is a simulated environment, we just create a clan from the simulated CosmSWasm clan. But with the real change, we will need to get the Kepler or the other wallets, and then we will connect the signer to get the clan, and that's the different thing. Uh, the rest is the same for both environment, and this is the first step for everybody to interact with Oraichain, and everybody can run directly on the web to get to get the result. So do you have anyone have any questions? Feel free to ask me.
For the questions for now, I think everyone is on board for now. No questions. So yeah. But yeah, to everyone watching, I again highly encourage you to ask any questions. If you're stuck anywhere, if you want to sort of want to throw light on something, again, repeat anything, feel free to ask. Just drop your question in the comment and we'll pick it up towards the end of the workshop. Yeah, do feel free to continue for now. I see everything is all well in the chats.
Yeah. So that's the first example. If anyone wants to have more example, here we have yeah, we have a lot of lots of example here for everybody to study later.
Got it. Yeah, just wanted to ask on behalf of everyone watching, what would be the best place to, come up with questions, any technical queries that the builders, hackers might have um, on their way? Where should they put that down, reach out to the team? Hey, too, can you hear me?
Yeah. Uh,
Okay, I was just wondering
okay.
what would be the best place for hackers to sort of contact you, contact the team, put any technical queries that they might have.
Uh, can you can you chat put a question on private chat and I will answer.
Sure,
Seem
sure.
it's okay. Yeah. The place for hackers to ask questions to team. I think Discord is the best. We have the official channel on Discord.
Got it, got it. So yeah, if you have any questions even after the workshop, feel free to hop on Oraichain's Discord, and yeah, ask all your questions, queries over there.
Yeah. I think this is just a short introduction to our best to develop smart contract. But for detail, I think uh, everybody can ask now on the Discord channel, and I will talking to a person to explain in more detail.
Got it too. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. And for someone who wants to have the first someone that have the first time get used to Rust and CosmSWasm environment, I will suggest to go to studio.io. This is a environment to develop a smart contract without setting up anything, such as, for example, for the Hackathon template, and they just open it and go directly to the template, and they can code, view everything is just like in the real editor, such as uh, here they can code the same like a Visual Studio, and they can write tests, they can pivot, save, pivot, just connect to the GitHub account and view and run everything. This is a very nice tool for developer. Yeah, they can code directly on the web, and then they can view and test and do everything. And for the more experienced developer, we have other tools. These tools can help a user to build multiple projects at the same time, and they can debug the code directly and see the result in an environment.
Yeah, thanks a lot too. We have both the links, the studio for Oraichain where developers can sort of play around, have a playground to test, run their contracts, etc. And the GitHub link that too is right now showcasing that we'll also have in the public comments. So yeah, all the developers can definitely go test out their strategies, play around different things of what they're planning to build and so on, get all the ideas to the drawing board and get on with their
Yeah,
building journey. To anything else that you might want to throw light on, any words of encouragement for the builders and hackers for this hackathon?
yeah. It depends on the level of the hackers. Um, but for we have this. This one's the simulation environment for developing smart contract using CosmSWasm for hackers. They can build the fully DApp without touching any real blockchain, and they can test the logic of the smart contract, and they can test even the DApp logic, and if everything is fine, they can just change the config to Oraichain, and then the DApp is up, and it saves a lot of time for developers.
Got it. I'll just also ask the team to put this in the chat. Okay, perfect. Um, yeah, so you have all the GitHub links to your disposal. Use it to the fullest, try different things. And I wish all the hackers good luck. Everyone who's building, get on with different ideas, play around with AI and DeFi. Yeah, with that being said, too, I hope everything is covered from your end for this workshop. All set?
Yeah. This is the just very basic tools, and just like a first introduction for hackers to build the DF. And if anyone has more questions, I think I will answer them directly in Discord channels, because I can. There's a lot of advanced templates for the specific use case. So it's
Got it.
yeah.
Thanks a lot too, and thanks a lot everyone for joining in. This was the first series of the workshop. We have the second one coming up on 10th January, so make sure to tune into that as well to get a better perspective of the hackathon. And yeah, till then, everyone, take care, keep building, and stay safe. Thanks a lot too for joining.
Yeah, thank you for your time. Yeah.